Number one, taxes are going to go up. They've gone up since 1913. Number two, you'd rather pay taxes on the seed versus the harvest. And number three, a dollar is always worth more today than in the future. The tax qualified plan, the traditional qualified retirement plans, violate those three basic truths.
When government creates a problem, parentheses, onerous taxation, and then turns around and grants you an exception to the problem they created, parentheses, any tax qualified plan, aren't you just a little bit suspicious you're being manipulated? Understand that all of these tax qualified plans are a function of the I.R.S. code. Now, the first 9 pages describe income. The next 1,100 pages are exceptions to the code. You see, the whole object here is to control your life.
With a qualified retirement plan, the traditional qualified retirement plan, if I go to work when I'm 20 years old and I start participating in a qualified plan, maybe I'm going to get a match from the employer, maybe not. I've effectively locked up my money for the next 40 years because I can't access that capital until I'm 59 and a half. If I do access that capital, I'm going to pay an egregious penalty. Once I reach 59 and a half, I enter into a magical 11-year period that I can have all the access I want to my capital. I can take out as much or as little as I want. But when I turn 70 and a half, I have to take out a required minimum distribution. Uncle Sam wants his share. If I don't take out my required minimum distribution, I could be penalized and will be up to 50% of what I should have taken but didn't. Now, if I'm going to live 20 more years, we're effectively in a penalty phase over the life of that plan 85% of the time. You got to wonder, who is that plan designed for? Me? My family? No, it's designed for Uncle Sam.